where our country is going. I am sure, Your Excellency, this is not the kind of legacy that you want to hand over to us that are the younger generation taken after you. If that is the case, Your Excellency, as people who their local government has given them their mandate, we are here to re-echo that we are together with you, come rain, come sunshine. And our prayers, Your Excellency, is that God give you this ticket. We must forget about our differences. We must forget about our religion inclination. We must forget about everything and unite together to pursue this very goal that is before us. If it is to our own selfish interest, I am sure you will not be contesting again. Because what has God not done to you? So is that the kind of democracy that we want to play today? This is democracy.
Not only getting back to power, but providing Nigerians with a better government, more accountable government, a government that has integrity in the interests of the people of this country at heart. Because why? We have shown it before when we governed this country from 1999 to 2007. We became the biggest economy in Africa, the richest, and achieved a number of transformations. We can do it again. Because we did it with you, we can do it with you again.